Government contractors, your most critical proposal data is living outside your pricing system. It's time to change that. For large government contractors competing for the most complex high-value services contracts in the federal market, one pricing error, one gap in the audit trail can cost them the one shot at winning the bid entirely. That risk has to be managed in a system built to govern it. Or for small and mid-sized firms competing for the same contracts as the larger primes, the manual processes and the exposure are identical. But when a pricing error costs a bid, there's no safety net, no second chance, just ground they can't afford to give back. That competitive gap deserves a better answer than a spreadsheet. And for manufacturers, the bill of materials is already in the ERP. But material estimating and pricing remain two separate workflows. One missed revision or a supplier update, and that proposal is built on wrong numbers, and the bid is lost before it's ever submitted. Different firms, different contracts, different teams. One thing in common: your most critical proposal data is disconnected and ungoverned, scattered through manual process that carry risk on every bid, and every time that happens, you lose a bid you should have won. Deltek ProPricer brings it all together in one governed pricing system. These critical workflows now have a home, connected, traceable, and audit-ready. Whether you're a large prime or a lean team, pricing services contracts, or managing complex material estimates, that bid is yours to pursue with confidence. See what ProPricer can do for your proposals. Request a demo today.